In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to set up sales in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started. Sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and go to All Apps. Then select Sales Tax. Click Turn on Sales Tax and follow the setup process. First, confirm your business address as QuickBooks uses this information to determine the correct sales tax for your location. Next, set up your tax agency or agencies based on where you are required to collect sales tax. Depending on your business, this may include physical nexus, economic nexus, or both. If you are unsure which tax agencies apply to you, check your local tax authority requirements or consult your accountant. After that, choose how often you file your sales tax, such as monthly, quarterly, or annually. If you collect sales tax from multiple agencies, you can add each one and assign a different filing frequency if needed. Once you have completed the setup, click Finish to enable sales tax tracking in QuickBooks. From the sales tax dashboard, QuickBooks will automatically track the sales tax you have collected, show how much you currently owe, and help you prepare for upcoming tax filings. If you ever need to add another tax agency, change your filing frequency, update your start date, or create a custom sales tax rate, simply open Sales Tax Settings and make the necessary changes. And that's how you can easily set up sales tax in QuickBooks Online. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.